Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we're gonna be showing you how to make this delicious charkha or grilled chicken. And yes, all of this is gonna be really easy to make because I like to make things easily and delicious. Now let's begin. First, I took a whole chicken and made deep cuts on it. These cuts are there to make sure that the chicken gets cooked till the inside. And now the important part, and that is the spices. Now here we have 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon barbecue masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And then mix them together. I like to use my hands, that's how I like to do it. Make sure to add all the ingredients perfectly and mix them properly, as this is the thing that's gonna give your chicken some flavor. Now I'll also be adding desi ghee or pure ghee. I'm doing this because I will not be needing to brush butter over the chicken. Well, I think it's all perfectly mixed. So now I have to apply it on the chicken. I'll be putting the masala inside the cuts first and then over the chicken. We have to cover the entire chicken properly with this. And yes, this is gonna be really easy to make. I mean, aren't all of my recipes easy to make? I always prefer things that are made easily and taste delicious. I think I already said that, but it's a fact. Well, this is gonna take a while. Okay, there are parts missing. I have to cover this up too. Well, sorry, but this thing really gets boring, so I just play with the chicken. I mean, no disrespect. Now that it's completely covered in the masala or the spices, it's time to marinate it. I prefer 2 hours in the fridge, or overnight is also better. While I'm doing the chicken, my cat really wants to play. So my brother is trying to give it as much attention as possible. Because, I don't know, it just needs a lot of attention. She just plays. Okay, we have left it overnight and we're removing the flame. And you can see it's perfectly marinated. And now it's time for the good stuff. And that is to grill it. And I'm gonna be putting it on the rod. Just pinch that thing in. This is gonna hold it together. Same goes the other side as well. And there you go. It's done. And now it's time to put it in the oven. Okay, now let's put it in. I'll be back after I do it. Finally, I figured it out. That took a while, but it's spinning. This is actually my favorite part about grilled chicken. I mean, it's second favorite, second to eating it. And while that's been spinning and grilling, we'll be cutting some vegetables. I have potatoes, onions, some tomato, and yeah, please avoid the seeds. Only the tomato pulp should be there. No seeds. Nah, that's just gonna make it all watery. We also have capsicum, and we're gonna add in that oregano leaves. We are also adding salt, peppers, and chili flakes. Focus camera. Good. And we're also gonna add a little bit of olive oil. It's gonna be extra virgin olive oil. And give it a good mix. Spread it on the tray. As you can see, it's dripping, so this tray is gonna work as both things. First, you get to bake your vegetables, and second, it also prevents you from doing more hard work of cleaning your oven. I'm gonna keep it on half an hour more. 200 degrees Celsius. Heat's both set on. And just wait. I think it's done. Is it done? I think it needs a little bit more time to be done. I don't know, it looks well done, but I don't want to take it out. I left it for half an hour more, which means in total 1 hour, and it looks really well done now. So it's time to take it out on the dining table. We'll meet you right there. 3, 2, 1. See, it looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a restaurant dish. It's really crispy, hot, and easy to make. Hope you like it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.